Okay guys, Justin here with a how-to video. We are going to cut and buff this today. We're going to wet sand it because we got some orange peel in it. This has got 4 coats of clear on it. So we're going to start with some 800 and we're just going to stay on the flat. We're not going to get on this crease at all. We're just going to stay on the flat. And we're just going to work this little area. Okay. Work a little bit more down here. Okay. That's with the 800. We're going to go with the 1500. I'll dry this off, let you guys see what it looks like now. Now you can see it's still got orange peel in it. We're going to try to get it out the best we can. If I have to go back to the 800, I will. Let this back down. Now we're going with the 1500 over top of where we did the 800. Let's see what that looks like. It'd be a little finer, but I think we need to go back with the 800. Let's go with the 800 over this area. This one, just where we see this orange peel at. A little bit more. Try not to do that. Okay, that might be a little better. Oh, still got some more, don't we? A little bit here. Let's do a little. Dang it. Okay, let's look a little flatter. Still got quite a bit up in there. Okay. That's starting to look a lot better there. Still got a little bit. Okay. That's looking better. Getting a lot better. Okay. Now that's with the 800, guys. So now we need to move up to the 15. Now we're just taking the 800 scratches out. We're not really sanding a bunch with it. We'll spray this, get this a little wet. All right. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and step up to 2000. Make sure you're good and wet. Now, if you feel anything underneath this paper and it's not smooth or quiet, you have dirt under your paper, you need to stop and get the dirt out, clean your paper, and start again. And that way, well, you don't want that to happen either. That'll gouge it up. You want to take out the 1500 scratches with the 2000. Okay, guys, that's with the 2000. Starting to look better. Now we got to do the 3000 to get the 1500 scratches out, or the 2000 scratches out. So spray her down again. Make sure your paper's nice and tight. Now you want to try to work all different directions with it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. It looks like it's pretty much ready to buff. So my battery's almost dead, guys. Let me grab a battery and I'll get the buffer and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I got the buffer. We got our compound here. A brand new pad here, an ultrafine pad. We want to squirt a little bit on here to prime it. As soon as we get that on there, rub that in. Alright. Okay, put some of that on there. Rub that around a little bit here. Okay, quit bouncing on me here. Alright, let's see what that's going to look like. And this stuff went everywhere. I think I got a little too much in the pad. Okay. Alright guys, that's how you do it. It's all polished up. Looks way better than it did. There's no orange peel left in it. Looks pretty good. I have to just go get some swirl remover to hit it again, and I think we'll be fine. Other than that, if this video helped you guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Helps my channel grow. I appreciate it.